In this video, I will guide you how to insert PI symbol in MS Word. For the small PI Alt code, you need to press Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad, you need to type 227 and release the Alt key. And here is the small PI code is inserted. You can increase the size. For the capital PI code, you need to press Alt key and on the numeric side keypad press 928, and here is the capital PI symbol. In the second method, go to the insert, click on the symbols, click on the more symbols. In the font section, you need to select normal text, and in the subsect you need to select Greek and Coptic. And after that, you will have to find here, this is the capital PI symbol. You need to click on insert, and if you want to insert small PI symbol, here is the small letter PI symbol. Click on insert and close, and the both symbols are inserted here. You can increase the size as well. So another method is that you need to type this code and press Alt text to insert the small PI symbol. For capital PI, type this code and press Alt text, and here you can see the capital PI is inserted. So all these three methods are very simple and easy. It's just a matter of you have to remember it. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.